The Chitrik Academy is dedicated in loving memory of Rabbi Tzvi Hirsh Chitrik.
Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to learn Mishna Gimel. Our Mishnah is divided into two parts. Things that if a person does it to a sukkah, it will make it possible, and things that even if a person does to a sukkah, it will remain kosher. Let us begin. Peiras aleha sadin, if a person spread out on top of it, on top of his schach, sadin, a sheet, why would a person do this? Mipnei hachama, because of the sun. They want some shade from the sun. Oy tachteha mipnei hanashar, or beneath the schach, because of schach which is falling down, some greenery which is falling down. So in any of these two cases, right, a person has a sukkah, and either if a person spreads a sheet on top in order to protect from the sun, let's make a little sun. Either he spreads out on top because of the heat of the sun, or he spreads a sheet beneath the schach in order to catch the schach should not fall on the person in the sukkah. In either of these two cases, the sukkah will be possible. Let's continue in the Mishnah. Oisheperas, or he spread out a sheet al gabe hakinef, over a four-poster bed. Psula, the sukkah will be possible in either of these three cases. What is this last case? Let's go to our board. In a case where a person put a four-poster bed inside a sukkah and then spread a sheet on top, in either of these cases, the sukkah will be possible, because the cloth is considered a hefsek between the person and the schach, and it cannot be considered schach because it's mekabel tama. Let's move on in the Mishnah. The second part of the Mishnah. Avol peirishu, however, a person may spread out a cloth, a sheet, al gabe nakwite hamita, on a two-post bed. In this case, it will be permitted. Let's see, what does this mean? So if a person has in a sukkah a bed with not four posts, rather just two posts, so even if a person spreads a sheet on top of these posts, even if a sheet would be spread out on top, but because it is very thin, because it's less than one tefach, therefore it is not a problem. It's still considered as if he's sitting in his sukkah, and it's a kosher sukkah.